Hello dears, welcome to our channel. Baby oil and coffee will make you look younger no matter your age. Anti-aging mask to remove wrinkles, tighten the skin of the face and neck, remove wrinkles under the eyes and dark circles, as well as wrinkles on the forehead. For today's recipe, we need bananas. Anti-wrinkle benefits of bananas rich in antioxidants. Bananas contain vitamin C and polyphenols, which eliminate free radicals. This slows down the rapid aging of the skin. Vitamin A, retinol-like effect, accelerates skin cell renewal, softens dry areas, and reduces fine lines. Vitamin E increases skin elasticity, provides deep hydration, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Potassium and magnesium nourishes and moisturizes the skin, making it smooth and youthful. Zinc supports collagen production and helps maintain skin elasticity. Natural exfoliant. The enzymes in bananas gently exfoliate dead skin cells and renew the skin. For this reason, bananas are often called natural Botox. They help keep skin youthful, moisturized, and firm. We add baby oil to the mask. A small glass of milk. Make a coffee mask. Small amount of mixture. Add a teaspoon of coffee. Anti-aging benefits of coffee for skin rich in antioxidants. Coffee contains polyphenols and flavonoids that neutralize free radicals, slowing down premature skin aging. Improves blood circulation. When applied topically, coffee boosts blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells for a fresher look. Boosts collagen production. Coffee helps stimulate collagen, which improves skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reduces puffiness and dark circles. Caffeine in coffee decreases excess fluid under the skin, minimizing puffiness and tightening the delicate under-eye area. Exfoliates and smooths skin. Ground coffee acts as a natural scrub, removing dead skin cells and promoting skin regeneration. That's why coffee-based masks and scrubs are widely used in anti-aging skincare to keep the skin youthful, firm, and radiant. Apply the mask all over your face and under your eyes. Leave it for 10 minutes. Then apply a third layer of coffee mask and place a Kleenex paper on top. Then leave it on for another 10 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Use this mask 4 times a week. You can leave it in the refrigerator for 4 days. Then rinse. Second recipe, a quantity of the mixture. A spoonful of rice powder. Leave the mask on your face and neck for 15 minutes, then massage gently. Then remove it with warm water. Wash your face again with cold water, then moisturize your skin. Apply the mask every day. You can keep it in the refrigerator for a week. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. If you liked the video, click like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.